more than 108,000 people have now been tested in the state. Good evening, and thank you for joining us, everybody. I'm Liam Martin. The state is expecting to see a surge of cases within the next 10 days. Right now, some models are predicting that Massachusetts will have one of the highest death totals in the country by the end of the summer. WBZ's Jim Smith joins us live tonight with more. Jim?
Liam, even the experts tonight aren't sure where this is all heading. Projections like that point months down the line, and nobody can be certain. But in the meantime, folks seem to be taking it day by day. A beautiful but brisk Saturday brought people out along the Charles. Social distancing and masks were in abundance. But the hard truth is the state now has lost nearly 700 people to COVID-19, with almost 23,000 cases. At least one observer here says there are many challenges.
We have vulnerable populations among us, many people with comorbidities, many people who don't have homes to shelter in, and that is certainly going to raise the numbers. And so we have to, grateful for the emergency workers and for the nurses and doctors who are risking their lives to take care of us. And we need to be supportive and be a community to make sure we don't put them under greater duress.
One model from the University of Washington projects that Massachusetts could eventually have one of the nation's higher state death tolls by August. But numbers and estimates have been changing constantly. And one man says the state seems to be doing what it can.
I'm not so sure why it would be higher here. I mean, obviously we have a pretty robust health system with lots of hospitals. I mean, obviously everybody's pretty active and outdoors. I mean, from what I've seen, people are doing a pretty good job with the social distancing and such. But yeah, I mean, I'd be surprised to hear that it's that high.
So no matter how these numbers eventually turn out, authorities remind us, of course, that this is all very serious. We all need to do whatever we can. Live here along the Charles, Jim Smith, WBZ News.
Jim.